Hey guys, it's Ross going on the Space Kite Set. It's been 1 week from today since me and Mike went to Dubai. It's just, well, we went then because if we'd gone this week, it would have been a very different experience. Might not even have got in, never mind getting out. But given that it's been a week, I thought we'd unbox this. My Dubai Expo 2020 Emirates A380, the blue version, and you see it there. And that is just what it has on the back. And I'll just read those extra details that it says there for you. So it's like the specs of the plane. So span 79.8 metres, length 72.7 metres, height 24.1, maximum range 15,000 kilometres, fuel capacity 323,546 litres. The engines on this, it's the Engine Alliance GP7270E. Passenger seats in this version 491, flight crew seats 5, cabin crew seats 25, but it does specify 14 first class seats and 76, I think it is, business class on upper deck and 401 economy on the main deck. Obviously the 2-class one that we were on, it was all economy on the main deck. You saw the partial walkthrough of the main deck that I did. And where first class would be is more economy, and I suspect it's a smaller business class as well, so extra economy seats. They were doing a special offer, by the way, when we were checking for the flight to Gatwick, upgrade to business class, and when we asked, well, how much is that, and the lady said, I think it's 375, which we would have done at that price, but it turned out it's more like 575. At that price, that was just too expensive. But yes, it's upside down. So let's unbox this. It's very nice packaging on this. This is an official product for the Dubai Expo 2020, which I suspect is something else that's going to get cancelled because the Taste of Dubai Food Festival was supposed to be on when we were there. It was cancelled. And I don't know if the cocktail week thing was part of that, you know, when we were in Storytellers and we had our whiskey cocktail there. But that has also basically fallen by the wayside as well, as has so many other things. Desert Safari's cancelled, Atlantis closed, all sorts of stuff, the frame closed. I assume the aquarium closed. I don't think the malls are closed yet, but surely it can only be a matter of time. Never mind the hotels, because you saw how empty the MENA and the Western were. I can't imagine that they'll be staying open for the duration, but once this is over, I would very much like to go back there. But there we see the box, and it is very nice. Given that this is a blue one, it's a blue box, I don't know if the others would maybe be the green and there's an orange, I think, or if this is just the colour of the box and it happens to be the same as that. So let's see about getting this out. Oh, there's a piece of the plane. That's the tail rudders. Oh, it's a lot more disassembled than I thought it might be. What else do we have? Oh, the rudder, so vertical stabilizer, I suppose we call it, and then the stand. So let's pop this together. You can see the various bits. We've got the tailplane bits there, obviously the wings, and then the stabilizer. So let's build an A380. Very nice, the pattern on that. Oh, when I put the wings in, I'll show you exactly where we sat on both flights. So, because it's always easier with these to do it in relation to where the wing is. So, like this, it's like some Russian hyperjet. So let's see. And then of course that on the bottom, so that goes in there. Nice and firmly in. Other one. Goes in this way. It's a little bit of a tighter fit. Get that in, snap quite as easily in as the other one, but it's just about in there now. Or not. There we go. So yes, so far, pop that there. Now we shall do these. So let's see. Where are they going to be? I think it would be like so. Or it'd be like so. Yeah, I think that's right. Then this one. I may have put these in upside down, I'm not sure. No, because they're like so, they'd be going down if they were in the wrong way around. I do not remember my plane having shiny. But maybe it did. Now we'll do the stabilizer. If it will come out. There it is. We just do the stand. It's a nice stand, like so. So yes, the Expo symbol, and there's Emirates. So yes. That just slides in like so. This is interesting, it curves like that. So there you go. There it is, the Emirates A380. Now I shall show you where we sat. Probably easier if I do it this way. I'll show it to myself first. I get the bearings. Yes. So flight out, row 64, literally halfway along the wing. That's all that we saw, the wing. So we were right here. Coming back on the other side, we're on, was it 55? So we're literally at the front of the wing, so we got a view of the engines. I didn't get to film, but oh my God, the view of those engines from there is incredible, how that they're arranged. But yes, fantastic flight. I'm very happy with this. Obviously, there's the different versions. There's the green one, there's the orange one, and there's this. And I think I actually did see a 777, a real 777, not a model, one of the at the airport with and I can't remember which colour scheme it was, but with this pattern on it. So yes, very, very nice indeed. 95 dirhams this cost. I can't even begin to think how much. So divide it by 4, so it's 20-ish quid or something. Probably overpaid it, but as it's an official licensed product. So yes, and also I think yes, it has. I'm trying to see if that's the Expo sign or the Emirates sign on the wingtip there, on the wing fence. But yeah, very, very happy with this. That's my second A380. Obviously, it's much smaller than the Lufthansa one that I got. But yeah, delighted with this, seeing as I didn't manage to find the Emirates store or even remember all about it until afterwards. But for now, guys, there you go. That is my Dubai Expo Emirates A380 with the blue colour scheme, which, as you can see, is very attractive indeed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment or suggestion for a upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.